Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your messenger not opening problem on your mobile phone. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video now. So there could be many reasons why you're having that problem on your messenger app, but you have to consider some of the basic ones. So you will just simply just make sure that if your app is updated or not. Go to your Play Store, simply search messenger, and as you can see in my case as well, my messenger needs to update. So all I will do is simply tap on this update option and my messenger will start being updated, and it will solve all of the errors that were happening before, including your messenger not opening as well. And as you can see, once your app is done being updated, you will see this open option instead of update. Go back to your app and try to use it as you would like to. And the other thing that you can make sure is you will simply check your network connection as well. If your network connection is not so strong or not so well, is going on and off in between, that could be one of the reasons. You can simply switch to your mobile data instead if that's the problem, and switch to another network available on your phone. And the other thing that you can do is you will simply go to your settings, go to apps again, simply search, and once your app is there, you can see this option called data uses. Simply tap on it, and here you can see this network access option. So mobile data, Wi-Fi, background data, roaming data, it's all allowed. So make sure you have allowed this particular network access over here, and then you will again go back to and try to use your app. And then other thing that you have to go is simply go to storage, clear your cache as well. So yeah, these are some of the problems and the solutions for it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.